Now let's talk about the angle of inclination. If you are new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe. Please make sure that you subscribe. That line is so ugly. Okay, what is the angle of inclination? The angle of inclination is this angle theta here. Let's say this is my Cartesian plane. This is y, this is x. So if I have this line here, then I have this angle here. I have this angle here. This angle is called the angle of inclination. To find this angle, it is given by this formula. Tan theta equals to m. This m is the gradient. So this is it here. I made these for you to take notes. You can pause the video and take notes after you have listened to what I'm saying, or you can start by taking notes, then you go listen to the explanations. Please make sure that you don't forget to subscribe, good people. It is always 0 and 180, so this angle is always here. This angle is always here. Remember, it's the angle of inclination. It tells us about how inclined is this line here. Okay, then now again we will do the problems, don't worry. An angle measured from the horizontal, I've already said that, so you know we're already over there now. So if m is greater than 0, the angle of inclination is between these, and if m is less than 0, the angle of inclination is that, blah 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 blah. That is a long story, but what can I say? It's for you to read. This is for you to read. I'll tell you what happens. If now you have a line like this, such that this is A and this is B, then the angle of inclination is going to be on the first quadrant. The angle of inclination is going to be on the first quadrant because the gradient of this line AB is of course greater than 0. The gradient of AB is greater than 0. This means the gradient of AB is positive. Then if you have something like this, such that this is C and this is D, so the gradient of CD here, the gradient of CD is less than 0 or is negative. You can see as well this line is decreasing. So this means that your angle of inclination for this line is gonna be on the second quadrant, meaning it's gonna be between 90 degrees and this is theta, 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So if you happen to get an angle that is negative, if you happen to get an angle that is negative, that there is nothing wrong with that. Just add 180 on what you got. This, where is it? I don't see it. I think it's this one here. Yeah, this is it. You see, they got a negative angle, a negative reference angle. Then they added that 180. So Let me go to another slide where we'll get the problem, then I'll take it from there. But please go to another video for more of this. This was nothing but an introduction, and I'm sure that many of you are still kind of confused a bit, but I promise you on the second video everything will make sense. Thank you very much. I just want these videos to be as short as possible. I prefer them to be short as possible and be many than for long videos. Thank you very much.